right, class. Were you guys watching the new Superman movie by Zack Snyder? That was so good. That movie makes more sense than the Justice League. That wasn't making sense at all. All right. Should I give you pop quiz today? 4.5. 4.5. Let's do a pop quiz today. We're gonna do pop quiz. Have it ready. Let's make that due yesterday. All right, do you have your no, it's gonna be super easy, Michael. It's gonna be super easy. Super duper easy. Question. Have your email up and ready? We have a spring break coming up, so alrighty then. Have your email. Hello, Miss Motormouth. What happened to pop? This is the 5th pop quiz. I just incorrectly named the last one 6th pop quiz. This is gonna be the 5th pop quiz. All right, you all ready? Have your email open and get ready. All right, let's see the email. My email is open. Okay, let's do the pop quiz. You all ready? Who's not ready? Send me a text right now. I see no objection. We're gonna do it. Have your email open up. Do not type in your answer in the chat. Once you email me, then type in your name like this. Type in your name like that. All right, you all ready? Okay, let's do this. Okay. You have a gumball machine. And it's not no replacement. No replacement. You have, let's see, 5 red balls. 7 blue balls. 2 yellow balls. All right. All right, you're gonna select select 3 balls without replacement. All right. What's the probability of all 3 balls are yellow? All right. Let me know when you guys are ready. Okay. All right, who has given the email? Let's see. The first one is Stephanie Overton. If you're hearing your name, that means I have seen your. Where are you, Overton? Stephanie Overton. All right, next one is Maritza Ureno. All right, next one is Jordan. One, I got your answer. Next one is Elma Sandoval. Okay. Next one is Dennis Aguilar. All right, this is so far. Plush fan? Who? What? Cap fan? All right. Okay, anybody else? Terrence Jones. Next one is David Cordova. Next one is Tasia Parker. All right, is that everyone? I'm gonna close it right now. I'm gonna close this in 10 seconds. Last person, the email I got is Tasia Parker. Sebastian Trujillo. Okay, next one is Marilyn Bonte. Okay, that should be. Oh, Angela. Okay, Angela Avila. Okay, Angela is the last one. All right, I'm closing the quiz right now. Wait, Ivan. Okay, Ivan Cruz. Why is that email coming in so late, guys? Ivan Cruz is the last one. Okay. All right, kids. Done. All right, let's look at the answer. Okay, the answer is, guys, it's very tricky. It's 0. Well, yeah, you have to look at it. What's the probability for the first one? It's 2 over what? 12, 14. The second one is what? 1 over 13. And the last one is what? 0 over 12. Well, when you multiply it, you get 0 over something. I don't care. And probability is 0. That was a trick question. That was super easy, guys. Some of you were overthinking it. All right. So now we're going to look at expected value, 4.5. Expected value. Any question? Did anybody got? Maybe I'll give you another pop quiz. I'll make another pop quiz right after this. Since we were going to have a spring break. And I assume you guys are going to party with your stymie money. All right, any question? All right, no? All right, let's do, we're going to do another super easy pop quiz again. All right, expected value. Basically, it is the long run average value if the event was repeated. Yes, I'm gonna make that one easy. Repeat it many times. And in Casino, that's what they do. Casino uses this. Uses that to create games. And they want to make sure on the expected value, on average, the house makes money. So let's figure out what is the expected value. What's the formula for the expected value? Expected value is probability of win times amount of win plus probability of loss and amount of loss. And this number is negative, guys. What probability? Which one? We're gonna do probability on this section again, Sebastian. What was that? What was that? Was that it cut off? What was that it cut off? Ivan, I don't understand you. What was what it cut off? All right. Still kind of confusing. Oh yeah, we're gonna do probability. Yeah. So let's do. I want everyone to pull up roulette's table. Google roulette's table. Let's look at that. I'm not gonna write out all the numbers, but I want you to get all the numbers out. In America, they have two numbers actually, extra. They have 0 and 00. And starts as 1, ends at 36. Okay. So I'll wait a bit for you guys to catch up. This is the roulette. Let me know before. I'll give you 30 seconds before we start doing the problem for the roulette table. I want you to pull up the roulette table, and if you haven't done so yet, shoot me a text. It's too late, Amira. You came in. The quiz was closed. No, you don't need to send it. I want you to find the roulette table. Once you find the roulette table, I want to know. Let's look at it. What's the probability of landing on the number 10? Let's figure that out. What's the probability of landing on number 10? Look at the roulette table. All right, start sharing your answer on the chat. Good guess. It's not 1 over 36. It's 1 over 38. Because you got to count to these two numbers. So you have 1 all the way up to 36 plus these two numbers. It become 1 over 38. Y'all get that? All right. So what about this? Probability of even. Start sharing your answer, guys. Probability of even. Well, zeros are not even number. In this case, we have only 18 even numbers. So 18 over 38. Okay. What about, let's do this one. Probability of not even. What do you guys think? Go ahead, share your answer. Type it in. All right, good. You guys got it. So how many not even numbers are there? There are 18 odd numbers and the 2 zeros is 20 over 38. Good. Now, the way roulette works, if you bet on any one of these numbers, $1, you get back 36. That means you get back your $1 back plus you win $35. So if I bet on 36 and it lands on 36, I win $35. If it lands on 0 or 0, I win $35. So the expected value, let's use the expected value betting that on let's say 17. Probability of win in this case will be 1 over 38. How much money I'm going to win? $35. Probability of lose is going to be 3 over, oh, sorry, no, what am I doing? 37 over 38. And how much money I'm losing? $1. All right, use your calculator and tell me how much money you're gonna lose or win. Figure this out. What's the expected value? And always round it to the nearest cent. What's the answer, guys? What are you guys getting? Use your calculator. No, round it to the nearest cent. It should be 0.05. That's how much you're gonna lose. So for every dollar you bet on this game, House wins 5 cents. It has to be negative, okay? So if on a casino floor on a night, if they have $10 million playing on a roulette, House is guaranteed to win. Oh, that's a bad number, Tasia. You gotta know how to use your calculator. That if there's a $10 million game played on a roulette overall the whole night in a casino, the House is guaranteed to win $500,000. That's a lot of money. It's no matter what. If they have 100 million, the number goes up. So that's the tricky is the more you play, the House is guaranteed to be a winner. All right. So let's make the problem a little bit more interesting. How about on a roulette table, people don't play on the so if you have the roulette thing, you have this outside numbers, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna look at red or the black. So let me ask you this: what's the probability of red? Write the answer. Type the answer. Again, the answer is 18 over 38. Do not forget the zeros. Top goes total way of winning. At the bottom is total number of outcomes. There are 38 outcomes. So the way you bet on the red is if you bet $1, you win $2, but out of the $2, you get your $1 back plus $1 win. Now, I want you to find the expected value on red. All right, once you have the answer, type the answer over here and round it to the nearest cent. All right, good. Again, the way it works is probability of win is 18 over 38. How much money it's going to win? $1. Plus probability of loss is 20 over 38. How much money is going to lose? $1. And it becomes 5 cents. You put 50 cents. No, you forgot to put the extra zero in there. So on roulette, no matter what, the house always wins 5 cents. That's all it is. Now, to be a fair game, expected value is 0. So it's neither positive or negative. If the expected value is positive, then you are guaranteed to be a winner. If the expected value is negative, then you're expected to lose. All right, let's do some problems. Let's go to the book. Let's do some example problems. All right, let's do number 9. I'll wait for you guys to catch up. All right, let's look at this one. You have 800 raffle tickets. 800 raffle tickets. And they're sold at $5. So one of the first prize is what? $500. And then you have five prices for $100. All right, let's figure out, and what else? Yeah, let's figure out the expected value for it. Now, let's look at the expected value. Well, what's the probability of winning $500? One over 800. Plus, what's the probability of winning $100? Which is 5 over 800. What's the probability of losing $5 in this case? Is 6 794 over 800. Because I add these two numbers, those are my winners, and I subtract it from 800, and this is the loss. Probability of loss. All right, use your calculator. Tell me what number do you guys get? And round it to the nearest cent. Is it negative 3 on that number? Let me verify that. $500 times 1 over 800 plus 100 times 5 over 100 minus 5 times 794 over 800. Yeah, negative 3.71. Okay, good. Alrighty then. Let's do another problem. Player rolls a single die result. Okay, let's do number 11. So a player rolls a single die. If the result is a multiple of 3, player wins $26. So multiple of 3s are 3 and 6 and wins $26. Okay, who win? If the result rolls not multiple of 3, then the player loses. So it's 1, 2, 4, 5. Then player loses $10. Okay. What is the fair price for playing this game? So let's figure this out. What happens? What's the probability of 3 and 6, which is 2 over 6 plus 26. And then 10, and it's 4 over 6. All right. Tell me, what number do you guys get? Let me use my calculator. 2 over 6. Yep. And the game should cost $2. So in order for you to play this game, you need to pay $2 to play this game. So on average, you will win $2 all the time, no matter what. You will win $2. So therefore, to make the game fair, they have to make it where they have to make it look like you have to. It will cost you $2 to play this game. Alrighty then. Okay, this will conclude. Oh, let's do the pop quiz right now. This pop quiz is super easy. Just email me with your name, and I'll give you freebie quiz. Email me with your name. Now, go guys. Actually, type it in here. Type it in here. Your name. Don't email me. Let's go, guys. Type that in. You have. All right, first one. All right. No, you gotta type in your full name, not just that. All right, I gave credit to Sebastian Trujillo. I don't know, Angelo. I cannot give your thing. I said type in your name. You got that wrong. Ivan Cruz is the next person. Marilyn Bonti. All right, next person is Elma Sandoval. All right, next person is Stephanie Overton. Okay. Next person is Tasia Parker. Okay. Sebastian Trujillo. Don't type in more than once, guys. Angelo, all right, I'll accept it this time. Pay attention. Where are you? Angelo. All right, Angelo. Marilyn Bonti, Terrace Jones. Okay. Next person is no, I didn't skip you. Alma. I said Alma. Then Terrace Jones, Marilyn Bonti. Okay. That's it. Alright, good job. I gave you guys freebie quizzes. That's what you get for sticking around. Alright, I will see you guys next week. I don't know why I'm yawning. Alright, I'll see you guys next week.